guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little bit of unboxing. I've got the awesome Details Makeover Anniversary Kit 2018, and I have to tell you the story of how I obtained this. No, it is not a sponsored video, but I was simply going to Watson's to buy some much needed items. So these items that I went there originally for is I need a new beauty blender, and I was looking for a concealer because I needed those two things, and I also needed an eyeliner, so a liquid eyeliner. So those are three things that I really needed. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to Watson's and I'm gonna just find some stuff. And I wandered past the detail makeover section and I saw this amazing palette, and I was like, not exactly what I came for, but I just have a little swatch. So I opened it up and they were all metallic eyeshadows, and I was like, whew, yes. So I swatched one on my finger and put it on my hand, and I was just like, whoa, this is so pigmented. It is so like vibrant. This is amazing. And then I said to myself, hold up, you came here for an eyeliner, and you came for a beauty blender, and you came for a concealer. This is not any of those three, so walk away. I walked away. Like, walked around the store a little bit looking for these items that I wanted, and I couldn't get this eyeshadow palette on my head. So I wandered back over and I was like, let me just like swatch a few more and maybe like mix a few of the colors together on my hand. So I had a little bit more of a play, and I was just like, I need this eyeshadow palette. I need it right now. And yeah, I looked at the price. I think at the time the eyeshadow palette was 799 pesos. So in New Zealand that's like 20 bucks. Even less than that, it's probably like 18 or 19 dollars. Like, yeah, I really want this, but I did come to Watson's to get these other three items, which I had in my hand. I just didn't have a eyeliner. I didn't have a liquid eyeliner. That's one thing I missed. So I was like, oh, contemplating, should I get it? And then I was thinking to myself, imagine all the eye looks I could do, all the videos I could make. So much potential in this palette. And then I keep going back to why I originally went to Watson's in the first place, and it was to get an eyeliner. That was the one thing that I'd missed off my list. I had my concealer, I had my beauty blender, I needed an eyeliner. And then I saw the kit and I was like, ooh, what's inside here? That's what I'm going to show you guys now, because inside this box we have an eyeliner, we have the palette that I saw and really wanted, and then there's a few other items. So I ended up getting this. It was 999 pesos, almost 1,000 pesos. So altogether in like New Zealand price, that would have been about just under $30. So it'd be like $28. It seemed right, because inside of here you get 4 products, plus I get that eyeshadow palette that I was playing with and desperately needed in my life. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what we've got, and then we're going to do a few swatches of the eyeshadow palette, which is just to die for. So let's get started. So opening up, there's a little sticker, and then it's like a little slide out box. So let's just do it like this, put it on an angle. So inside here we have, it looks like we've got the eyeliner, which I desperately needed. So liquid eyeliner, and then we've got a powder here. I haven't tried this. Okay, so this is the powder. It comes with like a little puff. Cool, and then the powder is right in here. And this color, so this is the Detail Makeover. And this one's in the loose powder, so mineral, loose powder, and natural. And that's the color if you really want a color reference. So this would be great for setting the face. Maybe good for, a bit of baking. We'll see. We'll try it out. Another product that's in here is the Illuminating Primer Oil. Now let's have a look at this. So that's the Illuminating Primer Oil. And it's got like shimmer, like gold shimmer in it. and it says that it's lightweight, so luminizing, lightweight, and vitamin enriched. So this is the gold version, and I'm really interested in like how to use this because I have not experimented with oils as bases for foundation yet. And this does say it's a primer oil, so I assume that it like absorbs quickly and it leaves like a nice shine or glitter. Hopefully it doesn't leave a shine. I don't want oiliness and a shine, I would just want like illuminated skin. So that you'll see in a future video and we'll have a look at it. So this is the palette that I desperately wanted, and it is still in its seal, so I'm just gonna open it up. So here it is, and this is called the Detail Makeover Metallics palette, and it's got 21 eyeshadows. It's got a little seal on top and a mirror, so I'm just gonna cover the mirror. So there's a seal, and then you have the plastic on top that has all the names. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start swatching away on, let's do this arm. So I'll take my bracelet off so that you guys can see it properly. So I'm gonna start swatching these, and we're gonna go from this side, so the left to the right, and then do the same way here. And as we're going through, I will just call out the name and then show you what it looks like on my hand. I swatched the first line, so I'm going to show you what they look like under the lights, and then I'm going to tell you which is which. So this is the first line. Let's just hope that it focuses. So here we have the first one, which is Alta, and then we have the Bellatrix, and then this one is a little bit harder to see, is the Maya, and then the Polix. So the Polix is quite creamy texture, which is interesting because it is a powder. And then we have the Delta. Ooh, the Delta is so pretty. I can't wait to try that one out. Then the Capella, which is that one there. And then you have the Acatoris, which is this one here. Okay, so what we have here is the Electra, then we have the Heidi, Triton, the Nisa, Keed, Pallas, and the Miri, or Midi. Yeah, so those are very pretty, and they're quite a creamy texture. I need to get my swatching skills better because obviously I have no idea where to place these things. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting better at the swatching game. So this is, let's get that all in focus. So at the top there we have Black Hole, and then we have Deneb, Vegas, which is that electro blue, and then we have Nash, Cyrus. Oh my gosh, Cyrus is so pretty. And then you have the Rana, which is this pink one, and then you have Talitha, which is this amazing yellowy gold. Like these are so pretty. I can't wait to like try these out in a makeup look. And I'm just so impressed with this palette. Like it's the best palette, like best metallic palette that I've come across in a long time. I think the first metallic palette that I ever got was from NYX, and I would have been like super young. I wouldn't have I can't even remember how long I had it for and what colors were in it. So that's the end of my video. Of course you're going to see a lot of looks coming through my Instagram and also my YouTube page using this palette. Like there are so many looks I can do with this, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm ready to wash up because my hands are just covered in metallics. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up, and I've got all my links below if you want to check me out on Instagram and also my Facebook and blog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.